Everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to get better at driving fast. This will be a simple driving lesson, so let's get right into the video. Now let me clear this up at the beginning of the video. I'm not talking about driving in terms of speed, not fast driving, but how to get better at driving quickly in a fast manner. Not like speeding, like better at driving in general, quickly, okay? So before I tell you these simple steps that you can use to improve your driving, very shortly, I want to go over a few things that you should know. Firstly, you can massively improve your driving within a week, okay? Just like you can massively improve your soccer playing skills within a week, or massively improve your drumming skills within a week, okay? You can massively improve your driving within like 7 days of practicing, as long as you're willing to dedicate the time and the effort to doing so, okay? The next thing is that driving maneuvers that we do on the road are just very specific skills put together. Think about it. When I switch lanes, what am I doing? I'm maintaining a speed, okay? I'm steering slightly and straightening the car out. I'm doing my mirror checks. I'm signaling. I'm determining if it's safe to do so. Checking a blind spot. And all of those little skills put together are really all that it takes to switch lanes. So the third thing is that you're going to practice your specific skills first. Once you master those specific skills, you can bring them together and you can master the art of doing those actual real skills, those maneuvers, switching lanes, turning right, turning left, three-point turn, parking a car. All of these maneuvers are just little skills all combined together, okay? So here's how you get better at driving fast. It's a very simple process that only has a few steps. So first and foremost, you want to make a specific skill checklist, okay? So you want to start off with a checklist of very, very refined skills. So for instance, checking your passenger blind spot, your passenger side blind spot, that's one skill. Checking your driver's side blind spot, that's another skill. Maintaining speed, another skill, okay? Steering slightly to the right, another skill. Slightly to the left, another skill. You want to make a list of every possible tiny little fraction of a skill that you might encounter, okay? You want to make a checklist of it. And then you want to go to an empty parking lot during off-peak hours. So you don't want to go when it's like traffic hour. You want to go like Sunday, midday, in a parking lot of a store that's closed down or something like that. So there's no one in the parking lot with very few obstructions in the parking lot. So fewer light posts equals better, okay? And you want to practice those specific skills one by one over and over. So for instance, if the skill that you're practicing is checking your driver's side blind spot, sorry, these people are just like running down the parking lot. I don't know what's going on, but they're like running away, making sure everything's okay. Yeah, it looks like everything's fine. Yeah, they're just getting in a rush, I guess, to leave. Anyways, so you're gonna check your driver's side blind spot and practice it over and over for a couple minutes. Do the same thing with, let's say, steering to the right slightly. Practice that maneuver over and over. Once you've spent probably about an hour to 2 hours practicing that, you can actually create a checklist with more advanced skills now. So like a right turn, for instance, is a driving maneuver that really is like a medium skill because you're combining acceleration with steering, with looking, maybe signaling, like you're combining those things to make your right turn happen. So create this medium level checklist and practice those for a couple hours. And then you're going to create an advanced checklist once you've practiced those. So an advanced checklist would be like a three-point turn, because a three-point turn is just doing 3 different turns together combined with all of the safety checks and the maneuverability. So with these advanced, forward parking a car is an advanced skill. So you're going to create a checklist for these advanced skills, practice those for a couple hours, okay? So you're gonna do that and you're gonna continue repeating the process. So let's say day 1, you're gonna do an hour of your basic skills, an hour medium skills, and an hour advanced skills, okay? Day 2, maybe you're gonna do an hour and 10 minutes, an hour and 10 minutes, an hour and 10 minutes. And it doesn't have to be 7 days straight, but I would argue that you need to practice all 3 of those checklists for 7 days in total for you to get better. You can do it 7 days straight. You can do it every second day for 2 weeks, whatever the case is. But when you're done that, when you've done that checklist and those practice drills 7 times on 7 different days, you're going to be better driver than you could have ever imagined. It's actually that easy. And you're going to take those skills and you're going to practice them with your regular driving now on the road, and you're going to get even better. The problem is that people drive a car and they practice these okay skills that they're not really that great at, and they hone in on these okay skills, but they never really got great at them. So they really just perfect these okay versions of the skills, when in reality you should be getting great at each of them and then practicing them, and that's when you'll get better. Okay, it's very, very simple. You have to practice, and once you've practiced, you can get better and better, and then you can become a great driver. That's it. That's how to get better at driving fast or quickly. A simple driving lesson. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.